Hello guys, welcome to another day. I have these packets which are very, very expensive. So I'm gonna open them. So I'm just gonna open this. So guess what is this? So this is actually a fidget spinner. It's packed very well. So yeah. It's packed very well. See that? So I'm not gonna open it. Okay, there we go. So I have this still big packet here. Not too big, but it's like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this trash away. Actually, this is another toy. See that? So I'm gonna open this. Okay, so I will see you later. I'm just fast forward something. But yeah, stop. So you guys can see there's like packed there, something inside there. It's still wrapped in, so it's like covered with like tissue paper, towel, or toilet paper or something. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna get it. It's packed very well. Okay, so you got this. This is like, I know what's inside, I think. It's like wrapped with like tape and just wrapped with just like paper. So I'm gonna let you guess guys in the comments if what kind of fidget spinner is this. I'm gonna guess you guys in the comments what toy is in here. And I'm gonna show you a little bit peek of what's inside. See that? It's like an ear. It's like an ear there. Like a hat or something. So I'll let you guys guess. So if you can pause the video if you want, or not, I guess. And then if you're done commenting what fidget spinner is this and what toy is this, I'm gonna go now. So I'm gonna open this. I wait. Okay. It's very sealed in. We'll rip the paper towel. And guys, ready? And 3, 2, 1. Still, you don't know what's inside. 3, 2, 1. There we go. It's cool, right? Like, I know what I ordered, but I didn't know it was packed like this very well. So it's like a bluish. It's like a bluish, goldish, greenish a little bit, and a little bit purplish, goldish thingy, and pinkish, just whatever, that's the color. So if you're done commenting with this one, let's open the toy. So there's like tape, there's like, this is not my budget, but it's very expensive. So, 3, 2, 1. It's Golden Freddy. Yeah, wait. Okay, so we got golden Freddy. I got a fidget spinner. So let's open this up. There's a lot of trash here, like literally a lot of trash. So I'm gonna open this fidget spinner up. So let's open this. In three, two, and in three, 2, 1. Oh, I'm opening it. Wait. Oops. There I go. Solve it. So we got a sealed fidget spinner. There we go. So I wish they actually like put some. Yeah, that's actually cool. But yeah, that's cool. But I actually wish that they like put it like tissue. So I still don't know what's the fidget spinner, but yeah, it's just normal fidget spinner. It's very shiny, very. That. See that? So yeah. So that's it. I'm gonna try it. That's cool, right? I have another video a long time ago, which is low budget fidget spinner. But this is very cool. I'm just checking, okay? Bearings. Pretty cool. Okay, open it up. Bearings are very cool. So, yeah. See you guys all next time. Goodbye.